Welcome to the channel and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I want to show you guys how you can become wealthy or you can become rich from a job. My name is Eric and I write a blog at smartmoneybro.com. I write articles helping ordinary people be extraordinary with their money and their real estate and their side gigs, etc. I also offer one-on-one coaching where I have strategy sessions helping people maximize their money, get the very most out of their money. Now, that link is below. Check it out. I also offer 15-minute free phone consultations where we talk and figure out if I'm the right fit for you. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel. And please, if you get any value at all out of this video, please smash that like button for me. I would appreciate it. So a couple of things up front. The first thing is, what do you consider rich? Now, for purposes of this video, let's consider rich to be $1 million. And I know you're saying, well, $1 million is not all that much, but a lot of our lives would change dramatically if we had $1 million. Think about it. If you had $1 million, say, invested in the stock market, it would change a lot for you. Trust me. You could take a salary yourself of $75,000 a year and still, if it's properly invested, be gaining at least $75,000 or more in compound interest and never really touch the $1 million that you had. So depending on your lifestyle now, some of you watching this video don't even make $75,000. But if you had $1 million, you could pull $75,000 a year from it and not even miss it off your $1 million. So let's consider $1 million as the threshold for rich. And if you think about it, $1 million is rich to most of the world. So secondly, there's a lot of gurus out here and people that sell you ideas and things about money all the time or talk to you about them that like to sort of put down jobs and talk bad about jobs. I'm one of those guys that believe there's absolutely nothing wrong with working a job. If you feel like you want to work a job, cool. I have no problem with it. But just remember, the job is supposed to do something for you and your long-term future. Don't just get a job just to pay the bills. Get a job to make a fortune. And I'm going to show you how you can do that and how a job can lead to wealth. In fact, it's one of the things that I wish I would have learned 30 years ago. When I was a young guy, it would have made things so much simpler for me right now if I had learned just this simple principle of how to maximize my job and the money I get from my paycheck to the greatest extent possible. But I didn't really start maximizing it just until a few years ago. But I always did a little bit over a long period. And that's one of the keys to getting rich from your job, is to do a little bit over a long period of time. Don't try to do everything in 5 years because you're not going to do that with a job. But if you take a job over the course of 20, 30, 40 years, you can become wealthy. You can become rich, but it does take some time. So how do you become wealthy or rich from a job? Is simply making sure that every single time you get paid, no question, ever, you always pull off at least 15% off the top for yourself. I know it's cliche-ish. I get it. You've heard it before. Pay yourself first. But it's true and it works. If you want to become rich from a job, always, every time you get paid, put 15% of it and invest it. Not just put it under the mattress or in a savings account. Invest it. Invest it in the stock market. Every single time you get paid. I don't care if you make $20,000 a year. I don't care if you make $200,000 a year. But let's give an example to show you how this works. If you were to take 15% of your salary over the course of 30 years, let's say you only made an average of $50,000 a year over the course of 30 years. And you're probably saying to yourself, that's not a whole lot. And some of you may be saying, oh, hey, that's pretty decent. But let's just make it an average of $50,000 a year as your average salary. So some years you make $30,000, some years you make $80,000. Or $70,000, whatever it is. But over the course of 30 years, you make $50,000 a year. 15% of $50,000 a year over the course of 30 years invested in the stock market, getting 9% interest. Now, 9% interest We could say 11, we could say 12, but I think over the last 20 years, the stock market has averaged about 9%. So let's go with 9%. And that can be modest, right? Some years you might get 7, some years you might get 11, some years you might get 20, some years you might get 4. But if you get an average of 9% on your money invested in the stock market, and you're investing 15% of your $50,000 a year salary, in 30 years, you will have invested $225,000 of your own money. That $225,000 will grow to 1.1 million, a little over 1.1 million. Go ahead and find a compound interest calculator and do the math for yourself. 15% of your $50,000 average annual salary over the course of 30 years at 9% interest invested in the stock market will get you $1.1 million at the end of that 30 years. Now, you're going to run into a lot of gurus that are going to say, you can't get rich from your job. You got to quit your job and you got to start a business. Wrong. Incorrect. Not factual. That's not true information. Can you get uber, super duper wealthy from a job making $50,000 a year over 30 years? No. But can you have some measure of wealth? Can you be rich by having over $1.1 million? Yes, you can. It's just about discipline. We only used a calculation of 15% on $50,000. What if you used a calculation of 20% on an average annual salary of $70,000? My point is you can get rich. Now, some of you are probably going to say, you know what, $1.1 million in 30 years from now because of inflation, that's not going to be much money. Well, let's say it's going to be $700,000 because of inflation. $1.1 million today on our calculator is going to only be $700,000 in 30 years. Well, guess what, guys? Will $700,000 today help you out? Of course it will. Will it be rich? Okay. Let's say instead of an average annual salary of $50,000, you had an average annual salary of $75,000 because you were ambitious, you were aggressive, you got some college degrees, or you went out and started a business and you did pretty well. If you average $75,000 over the course of 30 years, instead of 1.1, you might have 1.3 or 1.4, which after inflation is $900,000 or $1 million today or in 30 years. So the point being is this: whether you think $700,000 is rich or not rich, or 1.1 is rich or not rich, for a lot of people on this planet, it's wealthy, it's rich. And so can you be rich from a job just by simply putting in a certain large percentage of your money into the stock market over a long stretch of time? The answer is yes. And I just gave you how you can do it. So you can have all the different types of scenarios and what ifs and what if and what if, but whether it's $700,000 or it's $1.1 million or it's $1 million, for most of us watching this, that's rich, that's wealthy, and it's a whole lot more than not having anything. So don't let anybody fool you and tell you that, you know what, you can't get rich from a job. No, you can get rich from a job. It's about your discipline. Maximize the income you make from your job. Don't just spend all of that money. Off the top of every time you get paid, give a little and invest in your future. Invest 15%. Invest 20%, right? Don't get stuck thinking you can only do 3% or 5% or 7%. Go all out early, as early as you can, so you don't miss the money. Have it automatically come out of your account so you don't miss it. The best person to take care of the old you is the young you. Take care of yourself and take care of other people. Until the next video, peace.